Life gets pretty boring when you think of it, but there's so much more to life that we just can't resist. Painting life with colors is the hardest thing to do, but as much as possible we wanted to color our life and try to see improvements where we feel we need to. Recently, I gave in to going back to my active lifestyle, getting my life together, and I feel like I needed this the most. I also found out I became obese, which in the past few years my BMI is usually either normal or overweight. Back in the day, I tend to become very active in my lifestyle, where every day I work out, I am cautious with the foods I put in my stomach, and I am strict with my sleeping cycle. The past 2 years have been mashed up. I tried going back with my old routine, but I tend to reverse it again because I don't have the proper time management due to many circumstances. This time, I hope I will be as inspired and motivated as before and get my knees back on track. Hello everyone, welcome back to another Life in Canada series. Started off with cooking for dinner. I cooked dinner today because we don't have any agenda for Wednesday. We usually do, but this Wednesday is kind of new for me because we don't go anywhere else. We don't go to Oshawa. We don't go to somewhere. Anyways, so I am picking up Arlen in, actually I have to go now. And here he is. He just messaged me that they're finished, but he's going to be finished by 8 p.m. anyways. He's going to clock out, but I'm going now. We just received our coffee machine, which is the Breville. I'm so excited to unbox it later. I was supposed to unbox it a while ago, but I feel like I'm going to just wait for Arlen to unbox it because he's the one searching for stuffs, and I'm not very expert of it. I just love coffee so much. And we are going to probably pick up or get some coffee beans, hopefully, and I shall see you guys later. Let's eat dinner. Sa mashed potato ba? Sa?
Ta-da! Ta-da! Ta-da!
Wow! That's one.
Oh shit. Okay, muna.
Oh my gosh. Sige.
And this is the front one.
Can I? Happiness. Happiness. This would be my favorite spot in the apartment. Okay, diri man nimo na ibutang.
Yeah, i-post sa nimo.
Andan nimo iana, di ba?
Laga gamay, ha?
Iana man nimo dira. I don't feel the coffee.
Lami ang kape.
How do you do this again, Lala? Should I weigh it?
Kuwang na. Napaka.
Like that.
Mag-push ka. Ajo, ikaw na. Yan, Ara. Push ni mo.
It's okay now.
Ara. Sige pa.
Ako nang give. Ano?
Asa nilagay? Asa pa ka mabutang? Dali ka, oh. Sige pa. Ganyan na. Sige.
There. I'm in the lock now.
Ito ka, sweetheart.
What the fuck?
Yan, na. Wow.
And then this one.
Balit lang ako.
That is so good. Let me look it up, love. So good. Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning everyone. So finally Cheers to the coffee that I made today, and this is my second coffee of the day. So happy Easter Sunday, everyone. I am just so lucky, or not just me, but everyone's just so lucky because Easter Sunday here in Canada, or in the eastern part of Canada, especially in the GTA area and the Kawartha Lakes, it's very, very warm today. I don't know about the other regions of Ontario, but it's very, very warm. It's 5 degrees and a little bit windy, but so perfect weather to go out. But I'm here at home today because I have work in the morning, like 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and I just have to give Arlen a ride because Arlen has work from 12 noon up until 8 p.m. So we're technically working on a weekend.
Nobody's losing. Faces merchant change, but your face remains the same. The swallows will be here at the door when we're finally sober. They'll be gone. The trees will bloom, the nights will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
아저씨 살아계신가요?
A significant life, just what it was needed. Clean in the blackest night.
Puro mga paninjak, sorry.
Birthday ha. Ka mag 2 size dyan, parot na.
Hello, hello. So we just got home from Happy Sunday, everyone. So this is actually the first time that I'm talking to the camera, and we just got home from our trip to Toronto, and it was a rough day. It was a long day for both of us. It's currently, I don't know where my phone is. I think we arrived at 6:06, and it's still very, very sunny outside. And for now, I'm going to change for my home outfit. We are going to continue the Queen of Tears. We're not probably going to have dinner because we just had Jollibee. Jollibee is just so nice to like eat, you know, Filipino foods, and it's just Ooh, someone's making apple crisp. Oh, not apple, blueberry crisp. Hello everyone, happy Monday! So today is another day and another week, and it is a very special Monday because today is April 8th and today is the total solar eclipse, which is like mostly 90 to 100% here in Canada, and we are so lucky to be able to witness the solar eclipse a while ago. I think we went out like 3:10 p.m. and it was really a beautiful insight of how the moon overlaps or goes in between the earth and the sun. It's not very dark here in Peterborough, but in Niagara it's 100%, it's like totally dark. I saw some videos of it, and I also saw the live of NASA. It was so amazing. It's a rare phenomenon, and I think it's gonna happen in the next 20 something years. I think 2045 if I'm not mistaken. We'll see. Anyways, so I also received a package from SHEIN, and we are going to have a haul. This is the vacuum thing. This one. I hope it really vacuums. Then another thing is this one. This is where we put most of the garbages. You can also remove this one. Just don't know how. We have this one, the pump. Fancy with everything. I got this. Last but not least, I got this thing. It's a little fancy. That is it. We're gonna set up our coffee station, and I'm so excited. Should I put it like here?
Huh? Cute, guys, dun na. Lagi ka na sa ano. Napadiusa.
Wow.
Aga ka?
And yeah. Is that the luscious one?
No, it's a cream
Creme
caramel.
brulee.
Creme brulee.
It's not even. Wow! Amazing! Look at this one. It's so perfect. It's so perfect this time. Unlike the last time, it was. I'm gonna insert a photo here. It's so perf. Saan mo kasamida? Wow, wow pa ka ba? Ay, mama mo ano? Nag-expect ko.
아버님?
이렇게 나오나?
서구에서 동네 친구분들
Wala ka sa kanto pag birthday?
해서 왔어요.
Wow!
My love.
Yeah,
Pwede na.
so good. Yeah. Sometimes we need to experience a certain breakpoint in order to appreciate things in life. Sometimes it's hard to believe that the way we run things before is even better than today. But when we oversee that, we tend to live back in the past and try to relive those moments and times in order to have a better tomorrow. Being obese is never a blessing, but being in this stage of life made me appreciate the life I had before. This certain point of my life gave me another chance to become a better person and led me to a better future. Let's all stay healthy and stay active.